baby squirrel use a sexy motherfucker.
Dodge on YouTube. I'm Eric. Obviously I'm not here next to Yilong, and that's for a reason. Why? Because this is going to be the very first challenge that I have that both of us have to answer each other with. And it's called dramatic reading. And all it is that we're going to take songs or movies and we're going to take parts of it, either a monologue or lyrics, and we're going to read it dramatically or act it dramatically in a different character, different voices, and different style from what the actual style of the original piece was meant for. For this week, I'm going to start off, and I've already obviously chose my own because Yilong doesn't know about this challenge, but for Yilong, I'm going to choose what he has to do next. I'm going to give him a set of criteria that he must meet. And next week, he's going to give me the same thing, criteria I must meet. For next week, Yilong, I want you to choose a Taylor Swift song. And I want you to do maybe one of the older ones, one that when she was still country. And I want you to read it dramatically, with a different voice, in a different character. Our first dramatic reading is of Taylor Swift's song Shake It Off. And it features me reading the lyrics of Shake It Off as an old jazz club owner. Now I stay out too late. I ain't got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. At least that's what people say. And I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But you know, I just keep cruising. I can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying, it's gonna be alright. Cause you know the players, they gonna play. And the haters, they gonna hate. But me, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off, players, shake it off, yeah. What's up? Hi kids, if you enjoyed what you just watched, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys want to post stuff on your own about what we should read next, feel free to comment in the comments below. Everything's up for games, sisters and brothers. Either song lyrics, Hmong movies, American movies, anything, and we'll read them. If you got a funny voice you guys want us to try and do, we'll try and do it. Even though we're bad at voices and impersonations, I think it'd be funny. Yeah. You gotta look out this window now. Damn, it's